What's good, world? It's your boy Ammo Dad, and today on Hood Home Improvement, we're gonna be building the sign. Finally figured out the two-stage method. Stay tuned. Before we start things off, man, thank y'all. I wouldn't be here without y'all. We finally hit that big 50 subscribers. And if you watching, make sure you hit that like button. It's going to be one that pop up right at the end of the video, so you ain't even got to stop. But today, we're going to be using this 7x14 inch piece of plywood to make the 50 subscriber sign. And the only thing we're going to need for that is a down cut bit and a V-groove bit, because we're going to try this two-stage cut I seen on Pawpaw's workshop. Thank y'all for coming through. Check it out. We finna go through it.